Champagne with breakfast while I'm yawning. You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning.
So hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is March 4th. So I might seem like I'm a little bit out of season, but child, this weekend is unofficial St. Patrick's Day weekend. And we're about to get lit. So I'm making a few items for unofficial that I'm going to be showing you guys throughout this video. Just some, simple DIY fashion things that if you want to do, you definitely can go to these stores that I'm about to plug you to and do it yourself. And it's definitely going to be up before unofficial, so you can go ahead and get yourself right before Friday. So let's go ahead and get started. Not 15. Found it in 17. Yeah. So this is where I got the shirt. The shirt was $3.99, so literally $4 for a regular shirt. I grabbed a small instead of a medium. I grabbed the lime green last time. I grabbed the regular green, and I'm gonna take the lime green back. And then for the easy image, I decided to choose heatless transfer, which is right here, which does not work, and it's $12. I paid $12 for something not to work. So I think I'm just gonna do fusible cotton fabric sheets. I think this is the same thing. What's the difference between 10 pieces? Oh, okay. I feel like I should get my name embroidered, but I don't want blue. And I don't want white. Nothing wrong with white, but and I don't see, look at this gouge, and I don't see none of my letters. Oh. S H. This is as fast as I can get. S and H. Nothing else. Yeah, I'm over it right now. No embroidered letters. Baby monogram. Those are the big ones. I don't want those. Oh, some glitter letters would be really, oh yeah, black glitter. Let's do that. This is decent. Alright, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna just put the design on here so I don't have to put the whatever I want to say and name on here. Because unofficial CFFITSHEOBI. I think I should be good with just these two, and I'm gonna take everything else back. Alright, so I'm back from my group. Well, I ended up getting I'll show you what I ended up getting. This iron sheet thing. I ended up getting letters so I can put my letters in the back instead of having those little rip-off letters. And then I got a real pretty shirt on the line. Yeah, I'm just going to show y'all how I put this stuff on. I'll also show y'all the design. So I ended up transferring onto the sheet. I was trying to do green with that green, but the way it was printed out was not close to the color of the shirt. So this was the design, but green just did not work. And I knew that if I had two different ugly greens on top of each other, that would not look right. So I did two of them, and I ended up just doing the white background. So this was the big white background for the back, and then for the front, this is the front. I'll switch the iron on, and then attach the letters on the back to say unofficial 2020, and then to say my name. So we'll see how this can look in a minute when I start getting done. I am going to look. So I'll be right back. I feel like something's missing. I thought this was going to be the easy DIY. This part was easy, but the whole peeling situation, I'm glad that's over with. And I haven't done the Drake head. I want to see what I'm going to do with it. Gotta iron it some more because when does iron apparently is not that good. So I'm gonna iron this down some more, but that's basically the finished product of this one. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys can replicate this for your St. Patrick's Day unofficial plans. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. Give me a little comment down below. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you will be notified every time that I post a new video. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. It's probably going to be a DIY, so stay tuned. See you.